Good morning and welcome back, and today we are back to raw vlogging it. We have a long full day ahead of us, and as you guys can see, we got our coffee. Mike dropped off the hood for me last night and we're going to be putting that on top of it. We have a lot of stuff we're going to be doing. Mike's actually going to be coming over today, and we are actually going to be changing the belt on his supercharged C6. So he claims that there's a process for it. I guess it's not a quick belt change like on these Vortex setups, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna figure it out, and I'm gonna try and flat rate it. I want to try and make it where it goes by quick, and maybe learn something, changing it. So yeah, we have a lot to go on, so let's get started. Okay, first things first, let me show you. This is Nita's hood. So it's just a factory DE hood. You can see the DE lines in it. It's in really good condition. I do want to do a carbon fiber hood on this eventually, but I really like the OEM look, and I might even try and like modify this some. I know you can get vents, cut this open, maybe do something different, because I do have a carbon fiber hood on that, and I do want this to be its own project, its own thing. And maybe, like I said, before, change the kit, do stuff that I wouldn't normally do or that not a lot of people do. So I think I am gonna try this hood, put it on here, at least so I can cover it, because when I move this out of the garage, I don't want any of this exposed. I want it to be safe from, weather, people seeing it, and that type of stuff. But I'm really excited that I have a DE hood now. So I'm gonna find, I don't think there's no nuts for that, so I have to find the 4 nuts to put on the hinges, and then we're gonna get this loaded on here and see how it looks. Okay, so we got it on. I was having a little bit of trouble with this. I think it's tweaked a little bit, so I just had to like set this up and put it on. But you can see all 4 bolt holes are on. Looks really good now that it's like finally covered it. It's starting to look like a complete car. So I just need to tighten those up now, and then we're gonna put the hood down and see kind of how the fitment is with the headlights, front radiator support, and all that. All right, check the alignment. I'm not going to push it all the way down because you can see I don't have this like hooked up, and also this isn't bolted in, so it's not exact, but you can follow the body lines. Looks pretty good. I don't think there's going to be much adjustment needed at all, so it'll be much better too when this is finally bolted in. But because the holes here do line up, these are about a ½ inch off. I need to actually widen this just a little bit. So I'm going to be going down to Harbor Freight, and I'm actually going to get a body. It's a hydraulic body separator that I can use to kind of, hydraulically press this over, so I can gain that ½ inch to have these holes line up. But not bad for just eyeballing it, lining it up, and welding it. Everything's coming together pretty good. Take a step back. I mean, it's not white, but it's starting to look like a complete car. You guys remember at the beginning of this process, this did not look anything like this, so I'm stoked on this. Once I get my stuff, I talked to Grassroots Performance. They said I'll be getting my stuff on Friday. I'll be able to put all of the cooler stuff on the front, which means I'll be able to put the bash bar on, and then I need to find a bumper, and then this thing is going to be off to Hexa to get tuned and the cage put in. So, man, I'm really hoping I can make this September 28th event out at Sonoma. If not, it'll be the one after, but we are getting so close. All right, so we've kind of finished up on this for right now. I'm not gonna really do much more because Mike is on the way. He just left his training, and he'll be here. So we're gonna start messing with the C6. I'm not gonna vlog as much. I'm not going to show a step-by-step process or nothing, because I'm sure he's vlogging. It is his content, and like I've told you guys before, I don't like stealing other people's content. I do like to vlog what's going on in the day, so that's why I am going to be like vlogging it. You can see, like, I mean, Mike's my brother, so you guys know how it goes. Me and him constantly messing around, and you know, just good vibes all around. But I'll give you guys updates. I'll kind of show you. You guys get to see the C6 and that type of stuff. But as far as it goes for the step-by-step or whatever, I'm sure he's going to do a little bit more in-depth. But yeah, I guess we'll see as soon as Mike gets here. Okay, look. So Ashley just left. Listen, listen, listen. All right, so this is the almighty belt I was telling y'all about that we got to change. It don't look that bad, but he swears it's really bad. Watch, I'm a flat rate. If I get it done, I'm not telling nobody my secret. Bruh,
I've done it twice, and I bet you the way you thinking you're gonna do it, you ain't gonna do it that way.
Yeah, see, I don't know. It's like
you think
12:15 right now.
Here, I'm gonna show you. I know what you're thinking. Look, check it out. You're probably like, oh, I'm gonna just wedge it. I'm gonna wedge it through and fold it. Like, you can't fold it. Yeah. There's like a little right in here. You're gonna have to slide the blower back a little bit.
Yeah, to be able
that
to
way you can get the belt in there.
Yeah.
Because if you look at where it's at on the water pump wheel and shit. Like if you look at here.
Yeah. Oh, underneath. Oh yeah.
It's like how you gonna wrap that through, and it has to go over that pulley first. Right. So we're gonna have to loosen this one again. That way we get that tension out of it. Yeah. And then try to feed it through. Oh, my fucking back.
Yeah. You sit down, fool. You don't need to be working on this. You're getting old, all right?
Dude, I pull my shit at the gym.
I'm older than he is. I'm telling him he's old.
You don't even work out though.
Yeah, see? Man, I work out on these things. All right, over here bickering, but I finally got this goddamn belt out. See, my hands are tore up. It's actually not that bad. I didn't have to take the blower out to do it, but it is kind of a bitch to get in there. So now we're gonna try and feed this one in here. That might even be the worst part, huh? Yeah, good luck with that. All right, it's still daylight, so I'm doing something right. All right, our dude Corey showed up. He's getting ready to get out of here. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to hang out and talk enough, but we got the belt on. Only took about an hour, so I managed to learn how to flat rate it a little bit. But you can see RPM belt's on, so we haven't started it yet. We're about to start it, but he's still over here arguing.
Ready to see the belt fly off?
Stop it. Yeah. Yeah, I did it right. Is there any more oil? Looks good. Sorry about the mic. As you guys can see, there's 2 blow-off valves in here. All right, we're back. I can't even explain how sick this car is. So we just went on a ride along. You guys need to go check out Mike's new video. We took it down the street for a rip, make sure that the boost is sitting where it's at, and this car is just, it's fucking insane. Yeah, go check out Mike's video. But we're letting it cool down a little bit. We're gonna do the brakes on it. I think we have to change the wheel bearings on the front, and then this car is gonna be ready to rip. So yeah, go check out his video and kind of see the reaction video, and I mean, you can see how hard it pulls. So we're on to something else. Now we're changing the rotors, we're changing the pads, and we also had to change his wheel bearings because the wheel bearings were really bad. So we're gonna get these taken care of. I got to do the other side over here. You can see the old ones if you guys are watching Mike's video, or you have watched Mike's video by the time you've seen this one, you know that his rotors were completely trashed. So this car rips now, so he needs to be able to stop. So I'm gonna change this out, and then we're gonna do the back ones, and then this car should be good to go. All right, keep you guys up on a little bit of the progress. You can see we got the new jammies on here, new wheel bearings on each side. This one was in much better condition than the other side. Apparently the other side had finger tight bolts. So he was getting a vibration up front. We didn't know why, but all of the front is all together. Be able to stop just as well as he could take off. So as you guys know, today's kind of like changed on how it was gonna be. I was gonna do some stuff on some of the homies' cars, but obviously Mike comes first, and this is what we're doing. So he's got like some stuff planned too that I'll let him tell you. I'm not gonna tell you about it, but we gotta make sure his car's A1 for it. So that's why we're doing this. We changed the belt earlier, and yeah, just overall it's been a good day. I mean, you guys haven't really seen anything that hasn't gone on. It's just when I'm in here, my hands all dirty and gross, you know, I can't really vlog. So anyway, yeah, let's get the rear knocked out now. Okay, so a little bit change in plans. As you can see, I'm actually cleaned up. So Mike ordered brakes for the car, and the rear ones, they actually sent another set of front ones. So unfortunately we didn't get to do it. So I've been cleaning up, and then we actually made dinner plans with one of our friends down the street. So the three of us are about to go to dinner. I think we're going to Texas Roadhouse, gonna go eat, hang out. It's been a good day. I hope you all really enjoyed it, because I've really enjoyed making it. It's so nice to be able to just chill, vlog again, and you know, get down to the roots like we've been doing. So anyway, I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go watch Mike's video, because by the time you guys are watching this, I'm sure his video is out also. And yeah, let me know what you think about the C6. So anyway, much love. Hope you guys are well, and I will see you in the next video.